So related to the area underneath here is the idea of percentile. We can actually use normal distribution to find percentiles. Remember that the nth percentile is a value with n% of the data below it. So if we ask, what does it mean to say that your weight is in the 40th percentile? That means 40% of weights are below yours. And then if you were in the 50th percentile, you would be at the median. Median is the 50th percentile. So we want to know here in example 8, what z-score corresponds to the 90th percentile? So the 90th percentile is the value with 90% of the data below it. So here's our normal distribution. Z equals 0 is in the middle. That corresponds to the mean, median, and mode. That's 50th percentile. So the 90th percentile, that's 50% below. 90th percentile should be somewhere to the right. So let's say it's over here. So we want to know what is that z-score equal to, so that 90% of the data, so 0.90 is this area to the left. So that's going to be the left area there and there. That's 90%. So we use a function called inverse norm to give the z value with the area to the left of z is a, and a is the input for inverse norm. So what we want to do here to get that z value, that z is going to be the inverse norm of 0.90. So that's the calculator command on the TI. So if we go to our calculator, let's clear this. So we go to the distribution menu again, second variables, and you see inverse norm here, number 3. So click 3. And then you're going to input your area, which is 0.9 or 0.90. Mean and standard deviation are 0 and 1 if you're dealing with z-scores. You may not have this menu on your calculator. If you do have that menu, go ahead and make sure that left is clicked. Come down to paste here, and it'll paste in and enter 1.28. So that z-score is 1.28. So right here, that's not a question mark anymore. If you look at the z-score of 1.28, 90% of the data, or 90% of the area, is to the left of that z-score. So the 90th percentile corresponds to z is 1.28.